In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail offline on desktop. If you travel, work in spotty Wi-Fi, or just want a reliable backup when the internet drops, Gmail's offline mode lets you read, search, and draft emails without a connection. Your messages queue up and send automatically the next time you go online. Start by opening your web browser on your computer and signing in to Gmail while you still have an active internet connection. The setup has to happen online because Gmail needs to download a local copy of your mail for offline access. This works best in a modern browser, and you'll want to stay signed in on the profile you regularly use. Once Gmail is open, look to the top right and click the gear icon for Settings, then choose See All Settings. This opens the full settings dashboard where you can change everything from themes to filters. At the top, find and click the Offline tab. This is where you'll turn the feature on and fine-tune how much data you want stored on your device. Check the box labeled Enable Offline Mail. As soon as you do, Gmail will reveal a few options to control your sync. Choose how many days of emails you want to keep available offline, 7, 30, or 90 days. More days means more of your inbox is searchable and readable when you're offline, but it also takes more disk space. If you have limited storage, consider 7 or 30 days. You can also decide whether to download attachments. Attachments can be handy on flights, but they're larger files, so uncheck this if you need to conserve space. Next, review the security setting that controls what happens to your offline data when you sign out of your Google account on this computer. If it's a personal or work-issued device that only you use, keeping data may be convenient, so you don't have to re-download. If it's a shared or public computer, choose to remove offline data on sign-out to protect your privacy. When you're happy with the choices, click Save Changes. Gmail will begin syncing your selected emails to your computer. You can keep working while this happens. Just leave the browser open and connected until the initial download completes. From now on, you can open Gmail even without internet. You'll be able to read and search the emails you synced, compose new messages, and they'll sit in your outbox until your connection returns. Remember, clearing your browser data or using private browsing can remove offline content, so use a regular profile for the best results. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.